Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I have just received this Tegatok 12 volt angel grinder from Temu, and it was very cheap, to be honest. It's like just $50, not even 50, $37. Yeah, lithium technology. Okay, and I have got batteries, two batteries they have provided along with a charger. So I'm unboxing it. So a small box, some mini. Okay, wow, two batteries they have given, charger and battery. Oh. So the battery is fixed very quickly. You can turn it on, off. Okay, now you need to attach blades, of course, in order to make it work. That's it guys, I will now use this, and if I come across any issue or something, I'll tell you in the other videos. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.